this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, Get Into Technology, and what I want to show you today is a scam email. If you look down on the left hand side, you see the email heading. It's Netflix, status, payment failed, action required. This message has no content. So to recognize that this is a fake, a scamming email, that people are trying to phish your information so they can scam you out of your money or whatever, or get onto your computer and just go havoc on it. You will see that anytime that Netflix sends out something to their customers, it doesn't say, it does not say, "Dear customer." It says, it's going to say, "Hello, Stephen," or "Dear Stephen." But if you look closely, and this is absolutely hilarious, it says "Dears." Dears, D-E-A-R-S. No apostrophe S, just Dears. Dears customer. That doesn't make any sense to me. I'm Canadian, and if you're in America watching this, or Canada watching this, or wherever you're watching this, Dears is just absolutely hilarious. It's broken English. It's just not proper grammar. So so that's one thing. And you do not want to click on anything. It says update the account now, and right here where I got my mouse pointer heading over it, and you see the website comes up, and you can see it. It's apotech vendera.com, blah 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 blah. So as soon as you do that, they're gonna, a Trojan horse or spyware or malware or whatever is going to drop on your computer, and they can see exactly what you're doing if you do any banking or anything online. So you don't want to click on that. It's a scam. And if you go to the top, and you're going to see my name, status, and it says Netflix. Now click on the little arrow there on the the right hand side of the X. Just click it, and there you have it. This is not Netflix. This is from Jean Lar at sunandski.com. So you know exactly it's a scamming email, because it should say netflix.com or Netflix support at netflix.com, not Jean Lar and then blah blah blah. So that is one way of showing you how this is a scamming email, by clicking the little arrow, and it shows you who it's coming from. And then they're never going to say "Dear's customer." They're going to say "Hi Stephen," or "Dear Stephen," or "Hello Stephen." And your immediate response is, when you see this, "Are you kidding me? The bill just came out. I know it was okay." But if you're not aware of this, and I imagine a lot of people will just go in there and go, "Oh, really? Damn!" And they won't even see Dear's customers. They're just going to come in and they're going to click right on this update account, and you can see where that address goes to. And who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? What they're going to put on your computer, or what they got behind here. So all you want to do is you want to delete this email, get it out of your system. And then even the phone number. If you look down at the phone number, questions, call 1-800-071-578. Well, that's not a real number. Oh my God, these guys are really trying to scam people, you know. Anyways, just wanted to show you this quick little video on how to recognize a scamming email that's trying to fraudulently take your information and use it to their advantage, and then using Netflix name, getting you to immediately take action by clicking on the update account now, which you don't want to do. So just delete it, and then go into delete folder and delete it out of there, and you'll be good to go. Okay, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, Get Into Technology. Thanks for watching this video.